Look at our little babies. Aren't you guys just absolutely adorable? There's your little babies. There's Jack and Jill, their parents, going nuts. Absolutely nuts. Over breakfast. Jill's the tangerine pearls. And Jack is over here. And Jill is pressing on top of him. He's the ring neck one. Oh, the brown with the ring around his neck. See, these babies are our two newest ones. They're the two newest additions to our flock. And they are just too cute. They were just born probably 4 days ago now. And here's little Frenchie. She's the mommy of our oldest little baby. You can see him in the background. And there's the daddy. There's a little Pee-wee. But we don't know what he is yet. We might call him Elfie or we might call him Holly. It all depends on what he is. And the size of his collar around his neck. You can already see it a little bit. You can already see his collar a little. And right here is Niles, sitting on the perch here. And he'll be a daddy pretty soon. And in the nest, right here, is his beautiful girl. And her name is Daphne. And she's kind of twittering her, flipping her wings a little bit there. That's a sign she's going to probably lay eggs soon. And right up here on the top perch is Frances. I call her little Franny. And this is her husband, her handsome husband, Carlo. And he's kind of being a little on the antisocial side right now. Well, he and Frances are, as a matter of fact. Both of them. Now, Carlo's a tangerine, and Frances is a tangerine pearl. You can see her beautiful back. And up on the top here, you can see her, is Delphina. She's one of the Featherman sisters. And Seraphina is the one sitting on top with her head up. She can't reach the bowl because Karina's in the way right now. And I can tell that's Seraphina on top because she doesn't have a band around her leg. Karina does. And this is their name tag. Seraphina, Karina, and Delphina, Featherman sisters. 3-dove place. Carlo and Frances are the Cusinis. And they are 2-dove place. And then at 1-dove place we have McCooser, Niles, and Daphne. And then we have Cooper and Frenchie Featherly. See? 4-dove place. And we have Jack and Jill Kuenheim at 5-dove place. And of course, you know that those are the little ones in the nest. There's a top view of them. They're just starting to get their pin feathers. They're about 4 days old. Our other little Pee-wee, right there, who is now a little old to be called Pee-wee. And you can see a top view of him is actually about now 2 and probably maybe almost 3 weeks old. Then of course we have our 3 newest cages. Not any birds in them yet. This cage here will be Cooper and Frenchie's cage along with little Pee-wee. This one will be for this black one here will be for an individual bird. And the big cage right here, we call it the Shawshank, or Dad does, will be the cage belonging to Jack and Jill and their babies. Oh, and Jill is back on the nest, fiercely protecting her baby. She's such a good mama. Yes, Jilly, you're a good mama. Yes, you are. You're a good mama. We're not going to hurt your babies. You're going to be alright, Jilly Bean, I promise. And Jack's busy pigging out. Look at these two lovebirds. I didn't capture them, but they ran on top of each other almost. And Karina is actually about to lay an egg. She's making funny cooing noises. Let's see here. Yeah, see that funny noise she's making? That's the egg sound that she makes. So she's got an egg in her, and Seraphina's preening her, which is a first for her since Seraphina is usually the territorial, grouchy one. Alright, Hen.